So you need a presentation switcher with all the bells and whistles. You want multi-format inputs and outputs, various full control options, scaling, audio de-embedding, separate audio mixer, microphone input, phantom power, auto ducking, separate mic channel mixer, test pattern generator, EDID management, HDCP control, RS232, infrared, LAN control, an on-screen display menu. There's too much to talk about in one go, so let's break it down a bit. Welcome to this episode. So first off, where could you use this device? This is the MFS51-18G, and it is a high-end presentation switcher. So I'm first thinking about meeting rooms, lecture theatres, boardrooms, classrooms and other training facilities. This versatile and powerful 4K multi-format scaling presentation switcher is capable of video resolutions up to 4K 60 444 via the HDMI output. That is 18 gig. It includes 3 HDMI inputs, 1 DisplayPort input and 1 VGA plus audio input. The HDBaseT output also includes our IPOC intelligent power system, so it will power a compatible SY HDBaseT receiver. Now let's talk about some of the other features. Audio embedding. Each input can be individually set to use its own embedded audio signal, or you can choose to use any one of the 5 external analog audio inputs to use for any particular video input source, so you can match any audio source to any video source. HDCP management is included in this device. You can select between version 1.4, 2.2 or put it into bypass mode. What about control? This unit can be controlled via RS232 serial commands, LAN, built-in web GUI or via external contact button inputs, as well as infrared. Switching is carried out either manually or automatically. So this mode can also be selected from the front panel button, so you can manually switch between your video inputs, or you can set it to automatically detect video input signal. There are various built-in EDID modes which you can also select from. You can even copy the EDID from a connected display. Very useful for ease of setup. And of course an automatic or EDID bypass mode is also available for you to use. Now the MFS51-18G also allows selection of specific output resolutions up to 4K by way of the built-in scaler. And it also has 3 different aspect ratios that can also be selected. The scaled video signals are available via the HDMI output and also the HDBaseT output port. You can connect one of the Slim70 receivers or Slim70 Pro receivers to this unit to give you a transmission distance of 40 meters at 4K or 70 meters at 1080p. The built-in on-screen display menu also provides access to a color test pattern generator with white, red, green, blue or black test patterns to choose from. The test pattern can be used to confirm that a video signal can be seen on the HDMI and HDBaseT outputs. Audio routing is flexible and an audio mixer is built into the unit and can be controlled via front panel or via the web GUI over a LAN connection or via RS232 control methods. It has front panel volume controls for the de-embedded audio line output and the microphone channel mixer. The dedicated microphone input channel also has switchable 48 volt phantom power, or it can be used as another line level input by selecting the selector switch on the back panel. Something else that is not often seen in other presentation switchers but is present here on this unit is a user selectable auto ducking function. In other words, it contains a built-in sidechain compressor effect. What does this do? Well, with auto ducking enabled, when someone speaks into the microphone, then it will lower or duck the level of the program audio from your other input sources. This is easily recognised as a typical effect used on radio to allow speech to be heard over the top of the music that is being played. So all in all, this unit is easy to install, that can be standalone or rack shelf mounted, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. So thank you for watching this episode, and we'll see you on the next one. If you want to find out more about SY's products, please look at our website at sy.uk, or you can telephone our office on 0161 868 3450. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find more useful content just like this one on other products in the SY range.
SY, the centre of your connected world.